We're going to do a brief video on the EURUSD, the technical analysis, and that's the euro versus the dollar. We've got a daily chart on here with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. And as we can see, it's still in a bear market. We got not really a rally today. We got almost the same height, almost exactly the same high as we got yesterday. As a matter of fact, we did violate or go through that one level just a little bit and then sold off down about 1%. So we made a slight new high and then closed all the way down at the bottom, almost right on the bottom of the move, the entire move for today. We're still just right on the 5-day moving average, above the 20-day moving average, so none of that has really changed. Let's take a look at the hourly chart real quick and see what's going on. You can see it's rolled over on the hourly chart, and it's rolled over for the first time significantly since all the way back here, October 21st. This is an hourly chart with a blue 200-hour moving average, a 20 moving average in red, and a 5 moving average in green. And you can see it's extremely interesting. We're now getting this rollover. Even though this currency was not overbought, we're now getting a rollover. We're now getting a definitive decline below. The green is now below the 20-day, the 5 days below. And so this is a significant technical move, and can expect this currency to sell off tomorrow. It looks to me like it almost certainly will sell off tomorrow and probably come down here to around the 0.988 level and see if it can get some support on the 40-day, the 40-hour. The 200-hour. Blue is 200-hour. Now these blues, when you're talking about hourly, these 200 hourly moving averages, they're not great for support or resistance. As you can see, every single time it blows through it. So if it gets to it, it's almost certainly going to go lower than that. But I would put a target on this at a minimum tomorrow at 0.988 and then go from there. But it is not something like a 200-day moving average. It almost always goes through it. You can see sometimes it'll oscillate around it. And this is very typical behavior where it oscillates significantly above and below it. But it definitely wouldn't count on support tomorrow. If this continues, we're going to break through the 98.8 level, at least in my opinion, for tomorrow. Let's take a look and see what RBAM research says about it. We're looking down here for currencies 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day trading day hold periods for the 28th of October, Friday, and we're looking for GBP USD right here. It's got buys across the board at 1.15 and looks like 1.15 across the board. Let me just go up and take a look at this real quick. That doesn't look right. I'm sorry, I'm looking at GBP instead of the euro. Let's look at the euro versus the dollar. Looking at the wrong one. Euro versus the dollar, 0.994. All the way across the board from 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20 trading days, 0.994. Let me just take a look on an hourly chart, 0.994. That is right about there. So that's an aggressive buy price tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. But my analysis is it's probably going to test this moving average. So keep in mind, all for entertainment purposes only. It's going to be a fun day tomorrow, but you got to trade at your own risk, and that's why we say all for entertainment purposes only. Always do your own analysis. You can't use ours for anything other than entertainment, and you trade at your own risk. If you want more of these, you can get them all of our algorithmically generated entry prices, Monday through Friday, updated 7 a.m. At rbamresearch.com, link in the description below, all free, no credit card required, and that's 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. Come by early the night before. Everything's updated by 6 p.m. Crypto is the exception. It's updated after, everything's after 6 p.m. and crypto is after 8 p.m. the night before. Please remember, trade at your own risk, entertainment purposes only. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, please leave it in the comment section below.